me like a Hellcat.
So yeah, hello guys, this is Nikhil Patil and you're watching the Mr. channel. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So actually I could not able to record my yesterday's trade videos. Thank you for wishing me on my birthday. So because of that I could not able to record my video. Actually I didn't trade yesterday. I took a trade day before yesterday. It was Tuesday. But because of that, I could not able to record any videos and record my grades and my executions. But I have the screenshot. I can share you that one and the analysis too. I will share you the analysis too. No problem in that. So let me start with fresh and let me start with today's trade first, and then we will jump into the daily first today's trades. Okay. So let's start that one. So as we can see here, we opened gap down. So actually, this is a Asia session right now going on. So this is a Asia session. So actually, as we can see here, we had a gap down. So and I was looking for the price to fill this gap. So keeping that thing in mind, I waited for a divergence to happen. So actually, I got an RSI divergence here. You can see it made a lower low actually, but let me show you on indicators and RSI. So as you can see in on the RSI divergence, we had a divergence to the upside. So considering that thing, I took a long trade. I'll show you the execution. So that was the logic behind my trade. That was the reason behind my trade. So considering that I took a long trade and eventually I took a one micro here after I got a confirmation on 5 minutes with an market structure shift. Okay. Um, MSS. So MSS you can also say break of structure. So considering this, I took a long trade and I closed one micro around here, and again I took some five micros and closed around here. And then there were two trades which I took, and this is these are my today's trades. And let me show you my today's trades executions. Yes. So yeah, these are the executions. You can see these are today's executions. So when I got it around this, once I got the confirmation on the retracement, actually, let me tell you why I waited and took a position here and not anywhere here. So the reason was the Tokyo market was about to open. So sometimes what happens is once the Tokyo market opens, either we see a deep retracement or maybe a major trend continuation like big candles with big candles and with big volume. So it's making a BOS everywhere. So on the chart we are printing BOS. So considering that I was not expecting the deep retracement even though the Tokyo is going to open. Once the market, let me tell you, if any market is getting open, either it may be Sydney, Tokyo, London, or maybe any version, when the main market gets open, there will be an injection of volume, heavy volume. So sometimes it goes through the trend continuation direction. Sometimes it goes into the retracement. The volume goes into the deep retracement. Either it will go there or to the trend continuation. So just to confirm that, I was waiting for that. So, and that's why I took a long of just with one micro, which is 1/10 of mini contract, less risk one. So considering that, I took a long here and I closed it here. Okay, so around 5:31 a.m. So and bought at 5:26 and closed at here. Okay, so and then once the market got opened around here, so uh, there was no big reaction to the downside. So considering that, I little bit did long it with five contracts and sold four here and again bought one here. These were the scalps. So one again, two sold here, one bought here, and again this was the final execution of selling this at this point. So yeah, actually my target was this level. So as you can see this level, let me show you. Just give me a moment. Actually my target was this resistance level here. Okay, my target was this level. So but still, okay. Actually, I'm done for the day. Let me show you my days and end of day P&L. So actually, I'm done for the day. So I don't want to take any more trades now. So considering that I didn't uh, take any trade after this like last execution. So then here you can see the today's P&L is around $423. Yes. So yeah, this much is today's. I'm done for today. So yeah. Let me just show you yesterday's P&L too. Downloaded the Tuesday's file. These sheets. I don't want this first. Okay, yeah, here it is. The overall trade 617 and profitable trade 164. Yeah, that micro which I said I took early, so that I closed with $164 loss, and then overall I ended the day with $617, and after the commissions I left with $598 by the end of it. So yeah, this was the trades which I took yesterday, and these are the execution times. Yeah, this sorry, not yesterday, Tuesday actually. You can see the date 21. Okay, this much for today, and hope to see you guys soon. And I will be uploading day by day videos too. So please do watch. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And please do follow on Instagram for more updates. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you again. And thank you everyone whoever wished me on my birthday. Thank you so much for everything. Bye guys. See you. Be happy.